Welcome to another Exchange 2016 installation video. This is still part of the series that we've been doing, and in part 8 we're going to be looking at email address policies. Now in part 7 we looked at accepted domains and the email addresses assigned to user mailboxes. Now it's because the default email address policy has been assigned. Right, so if we want to change that email address policy and we say we're going to call this TLAB main policy and we click the plus sign, you will see that I can select an accepted domain now from the list. So I'm going to choose TLAB.coza because it's a proper FQDN, .local is not, and I want to use that. Apologies for the thunder in the background, there's a bit of a storm here. And at the bottom here we can say make this this format the reply email address. Right, so we click save, SMTP, and in this example we can say users with Exchange mailboxes will only get this, and resource mailboxes and mail-enabled groups. And then we can actually do a preview of this, right? So, and then you can click save, click OK. Now if you go here, it's not applied by default. You have to click apply and then accept it. And that's email address policies. Thank you for watching.